Hey everyone! So you're going to be creating your own brand, and I'm going to take you through how to do that pretty quickly. So when you're on your page, it's going to say add brand. I have where it says manage brand because I've already added mine. So you're going to click on that, and for me, it's already done, but you're going to have something that's going to say like create your brand now. So you're going to click all the buttons that take you to here. There's going to be a little link here. It says insert your logo, upload your logo. So I already have my logo. But I'm actually going to change it because I have the wrong one in there. And I'm going to go back in and I'm going to put in this one. So you're going to have your PNG logo. Make sure it's not the JPEG. So you can see mine right now. This one is a JPEG. It's showing up not well. And so you're going to open it up. You're going to, well, in my case, you're going to upload it. I'm replacing it. And you're going to add your logo. And then it's going to ask you once it's uploaded to choose a color scheme. So you'll have, you'll choose the brand color that is from your logo and you'll insert it. And then once that's done, it's going to ask you to choose fonts. The font that you want to think about, make sure that it's not too busy, that it's simple enough that it's easy to read. Sometimes when you choose script kinds of fonts, ones that look like cursive writing, they're a little bit more complicated to use. So you really want to be sure that you're thinking about font and how clean the look of your design is going to be. Once that's done, so you can see it's in there, you can also add secondary logos. So that might be where you put your JPEG logo because maybe sometimes you'll want to have that color in there, and you can do that. So you can add that over here if you choose to have a secondary logo, and that might be the one with the background color. So get excited. This is going to be awesome. Once you're in there, you'll have all these different templates that work for video and your page templates. You'll be able to add your logo to the bottom and personalize all the different products that you or visuals that you create. So hope you have fun creating your brand.